The backsplash that I'm going to be using is from this company here, and as you see, it is this white tile with black grout. It is stick and peel. This was $44 for 10 pieces total. They are 12 by 12, so hopefully they should fit perfectly right along this area, you guys. I kind of just want to take this kitchen from a very, you know, old school feel to a very modern feel and much more lively feel. So stay tuned for the final project. This hopefully should be super easy. And yeah, I will see you guys when I finish. Alright, you guys, so the remaining of this video is going to be a time lapse simply because this project is super easy. It's literally you just pulling off the backing and sticking it down to the wall and matching up the missing tiles when laying down the next set of tiles. It only gets a little bit hard when you are working around the sockets and the light fixtures because you want to make sure that you don't have any gaps in the wall. Also, my wall is uneven, so I did have to peel all of my hard work back up and then stick it back down so that I can make everything look nice and symmetric and not have any gaps or, you know, any height difference or anything crazy looking going on. So I will say that this stick and peel is very forgiving. It had just as much stick when I laid it back down the second time. I did use a total of 3 packs to cover the entire area. Like I said, they were $44 and some change a pack. So the total project cost about $140, $150-ish, and it was only that expensive because this is the white tile with black grout. The white tiles with gray grout or white grout are much less expensive, but I'm going for a specific look, and yeah, so that is pretty much it, you guys. I'll come back at the end to show you how, or tell you guys, explain to you how I am going to be filling in that empty space between the cabinets and the top of the tile later on in the video. But for now, just sit back and enjoy. So y'all, I low-key feel like it's coming out crooked. Like up here was kind of going straight, but right here you can kind of like, it's more gapped than this. But it's like I'm just connecting them together like a puzzle piece, so I don't know. But I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna see, because this is honestly like really easy. Like around the outlets are a little bit harder, but for the most part this is really easy. I'm not even through. I still have 2 more in the first pack and I'm damn near almost around the whole thing, so I for sure should have enough. Even if I don't, I can cut out some of the bottom of the stove because I definitely got to fill in up here and we're gonna have to fill in down there. So child, we'll see. Let's just keep going though. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the top. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at, so I'm always good where I'm at. The Junior, the Jazz, BJ, know what I got, my money in a couple figures to the store to let. She fucking with it, she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. These niggas think it's smaller than a mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big cripple. I got the hook and it really no limit. Dead focus in you nigga DNA. Ricky Spell is indicated with the gate. Little nigga, it's another state case. Very round motherfucker case bank tryna bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. Suspicious, so I gotta reroute it. The nigga drippin' like I gotta say $1. Got the trap jumping like Spain when I rebound. Then I'm out. Better never talk about it. The homies style, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas don't really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist. No house.
niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a four inside another lead. Tie up the bands and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out the eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Get her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the building truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I remember dead sitting at the trap, about to call the plug, got a cop 3. Little the Pablo Escobar, money meet the chop 4. That's my top 3.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I am now taking one full sheet and cutting out each tile along the grout so that I can have just one strip to place in that empty area above the tile.
45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag, nigga. I can't just no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got this shit about the street. Red gun, period, blood on my feet. I just been ballin' out every season. Know it's some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I gotta put me a four inside another lead. Time depends and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds.